All right, guys, so we just stopped to get some water and have a little snack and take a little trail break. So that leads us to trail break number 3, hydration. And I have a very simple question for you. Go ahead and comment below. I'll give you a few seconds. The question is this: do you have enough water? Answer below. And the answer is no. You never have enough water, especially out here on the trail. We came in with 2.5 liters each, and by the time we got to camp, we had less than a liter each. We ended up going and walking 2 miles total, there and back to get water once, and then we decided we wanted more water, so we did it again. So in the end, we ended up hiking just over 8 miles yesterday, probably closer to 9, I would say, for water. And the reason I say that no, you never have enough water is because it is so hot and humid, especially here in the south and in central Florida. You are going to sweat, your body's going to need more of it. You're gonna need it for cooking, for, coffee, whatever you want. So make sure you stay hydrated. Bring something to filter water and carry enough to get you through the hike if need be. I knew there was water, so I only brought 2.5 liters each for us. But if I hadn't been sure about water, I would have brought more water. But have a way to filter it, have a way to obtain more water, and check the trail conditions before you go out. So look at the weather, see if it's rained recently. Make sure that if you are going to a place that has a lot of creeks, that if it hasn't rained in like a month, those creeks might be dry, and you're gonna have to sort out another source of water. So just keep that in mind, guys. Remember, you can never have enough water, especially hiking. I know it sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many times people get onto the trail and don't have enough water. So hydrate or die. I don't know if you probably don't know that saying. Camel pack. Anyway, stay hydrated, guys, and we're gonna keep going. You ready? You ready?
Yep.
All right. So for trail breaker, that's trail break number 3. We're out of here. All right, guys. Oh, quick addendum to trail break number 3. So trail break number 3.1. My water has a packet of hydration liquid in it, and it's like liquid IV or something, like liquid hydration, I don't know. But it's got electrolytes, salt, water, sugar. It helps your body absorb it a little bit better, adds a little bit of flavor, and it's better than just drinking straight water the whole time. Before you go out on the trail, check and see which flavors you like. I like the watermelon version of this. My buddy Sean last trip hated it. He drank about a quarter of the bottle, and then I ended up taking it. Or we mixed something else into it. So check them. If you've got people that have them, borrow one, grab one, try it before you go. Make sure you've got something that you're going to enjoy drinking besides just water, especially something that's going to add a little bit of electrolyte, sugar, and all the fun stuff you need. All right, so for Trailbreaker, I'm out. That was Trailbreaker 3.1 addendum. Adios.